Black Thunder, Asia's #1 water theme park. Great place, great fun.
Dr. Rajeshwari Skin Care and Hair Restoration Center. Hair growth without surgery. 25% offer.
Gautam, it was a big surprise. I think இது உங்க ஜெனரலாவே நீங்க பண்ற ஒரு ஸ்டோரி லைனிங் you've just come apart this whole film. என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I was shocked.
You know, when he explains you any scene like Beat, when I'm on the sets of Varnamayiram, the way he narrates itself, he acts out. Then I always feel that he must act.
I didn't tell her that I was going to act because I myself took that call very last minute. So
என்ன தைரியம் கௌதம் உங்களுக்கு? Usually in the cinema, everybody wants to be a hero. It's always a one-man show. And I felt here, it was like seeing a real life family.
hello ladies, welcome.
Hi Gautam. Hi Simran. I think a very special Zoom meet for me. Firstly, I want to wish you both amazing film. I really was taken aback by surprise. Firstly, it's not a surprise to see Simran perform. So firstly, I'll come to you, Gautam. It was a big surprise. I think இது உங்க ஜெனரலாவே நீங்க பண்ற ஒரு from your usual way of story lining, you've just come very apart this whole film. It's a very different storyline, and you leaped into something very fresh. So என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் I was shocked. So a pat on your back for trying something so different. And Simran, என்ன சொல்றது, நான் எப்பவுமே எல்லா இன்டர்வியூஸ்ல I have said I'm a big fan of yours, your work, and you're one actress who I think if I stand and share screen space with, I will be really thinking twice before acting.
Thank you so much. I would definitely like to thank Gautam. When I got a call from Gautam, he told me that, Simran, would you like to do or listen to it first, because it's a very bold character. I said yes, of course, because if you get something to me, definitely makes a lot of sense. And he just told me that this is the character, and then the way the character has to wear that sari, and the way she has to handle her daughter and talk to her husband, and so it's beautiful to be part of such cinema.
Something so real and meaningful.
Yeah, exactly.
I surprised her a couple of times. One was with the genre itself, from what I normally make, and two was I didn't tell her that I was going to act because I myself took that call really last minute. So
என்ன தைரியம் கௌதம் உங்களுக்கு? சிம்ரன் முன்னாடி நின்னுட்டு மெயின் ரோல் பண்றீங்க.
ரொம்ப தைரியம் தேவைப்பட்டுச்சு அங்க நிக்கிறதுக்கு. And she made it,
கௌதம் இது சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் நான் வந்து ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியா ஃபீல் பண்ணேன், because நான் வந்து எப்பவுமே இதுக்கு முன்னாடி கூட we have shot a film, and we have met also for other films, discussed stories over meetings. Na solite irpen, Gautam, you must act, and when he said that,
what a fabulous job he's done.
When he explains you any scene like Beat, when I'm on the sets of Varnamayiram, or when I'm sitting on a story meet with him, the way he narrates itself, he acts out. It's and then I always feel that he must act, and trust me, whatever I act is exactly the way he shows me. That is what I do.
Oh.
And after seeing the film, it has really come out well. I don't know whether I should talk about what the climax is or no. I'm not going to talk about it because it's very fantastic.
What I really felt was awesome about this episode was how real it was. Usually in the cinema, everybody wants to be a hero. Everybody wants to, it's always a one-man show. And I felt here, it was like seeing a real life family. It was so real. I didn't think, Gautam, you wrote it because you had Simran and you had to use her complete power to act. You've written beautifully, Gautam. I like I said, I was taken aback. And, I think what I personally think is this is your genre.
Thank you. Thank you, Joe. So I think the platform also sort of gives you the confidence and the ability to sort of put out content like this.
Yes.
When we think of feature film and then to bring in an actor and a producer who's funding something like this, very rarely something like this, gets done or gets greenlit and stuff like that. So I think since it was on an OTT platform, it gave me the confidence to sort of go ahead with the kind of screenplay and the script that I wanted to.
Yeah, where the screenplay overpowers everything else. Yeah. And of course, idella nariya twists and turns irukku, adella solla mudiyadhu, but that all makes it very special.
Thank you. So what we've also been discussing with the team and all is why would somebody like to watch something that is intense and a little disturbing, But I'm just hoping people will look at it as something that happens and then there is a very positive element to it also at the same time, within the negativity and within the difficult
I'm
times.
sure people would love watching this, Gautam, because I guess it's time to watch reality. It's time to know what's happening around us. Seeing an episode like this, and the தைரியம் வரணும், I think, பெண்களுக்கு, to the mothers mainly. And அவங்க வந்து வெளியில வந்து, I think they should not shy saying what has happened and, fight for their rights. So, இந்த மாதிரி content கண்டிப்பா பார்க்கணும். I think it's very, very important.
Making films, we all have such a huge responsibility because we are showing our work to the audience and how it impacts their mind a lot. And it's high time we come up with these kind of sensitive subjects and show them in a positive way. And educate people that how important it is to be close to each other and stay connected. Apart from, there are many issues which we are surrounded with. We face obstacles and challenges day to day, but then how we fight towards it, either we just let our negativity take over us, or we have that strength to just stand up and raise our voice and ask for justice. So I feel that your film, Gautam, especially in which we have worked together, and for that Joe has joined together, that is the first step of victory.
Yeah, I also think of it as a huge thing that the three of us are having this conversation.
Yes, exactly. It is definitely going to change many things in audiences when they're going to watch this. And I'm going to thank the platform also for having us to showcase our work, our fine art of work to people.
Cinema has a huge influence on people's minds, and I feel as individuals, as citizens, what more can we do? We can, through our means of work, I think this is our part to the society that we can give from our side. This is our contribution to our work medium, that we can spread the right message. But saying that, it's a very positive film, and the climax, which I can't really reveal, it spreads a lot of positivity, and it spreads it spreads the right message that it should, which makes this film very beautiful.
Thank you, Joe.
And and thank you, Simran, for the acting tips and all that. I know you keep
I
saying
didn't
that.
give you any acting tips, Gautam. You've been
No, that
giving
scene
us
where,
acting tips
that
for last
scene
so
where,
many years.
the first scene that we were together and all that, and then I was trying to maintain 7 feet distance between the two of us.
Sorry.
Why do we have to be like so far apart, And then suddenly, without in the shot, she kind of just put her hand out and touched my face, and that actual reaction of surprise is the shot that is there in the film, So I guess you have to learn at every point from somebody like you, I guess.
Brilliant work, guys, really brilliant, and thank you for calling me for this. I'm so happy to be here. Thank
Simran,
you.
we have to do a lot more of this, but Joe, truly appreciate you being here, honestly. Truly.
Yes,
You're
same here.
most welcome.
Black Thunder, Asia's #1 water theme park. Great place, great fun.
Dr. Rajeshwari Skin Care and Hair Restoration Center. Hair growth without surgery. 25% offer.